Hi everyone, welcome to Myntra's new office. We've always believed that the brand mission starts at home. We have broken new ground in how we think about office space. Our endeavor is to create office space where people are every day inspired by what we do, an environment that helps them be very productive as well as do their best work.
So when I met Mukesh, he had this vision that he wanted this space to be unique and unlike any other office space in this country. So he had a brief for us. This building should speak fashion in all aspects.
I personally am very excited about this office. We've themed this entire office around fashion. So as soon as a visitor walks into the premises, on the right he would actually see a live ramp, which is a very, very unique experience.
We took everything about fashion, whether it's designers, brands, photographers, stylists, magazine editors, as well as fashion and sports as well. So we took all of this together, put it together, and we took them flow-wise.
The theme on the second floor is fashion magazine, stylists and editors. Every room is actually inspired by different iconic fashion magazines. Third floor inspiration has been taken by famous brands and designers. We've actually got a very well-equipped gym. Right next to it, we've also got an engagement area where we've actually got pool, snooker, foosball, TT, etc. In terms of employee engagement and collaboration, we've actually set up a new thing within the organization called the Look Good Cafe, which is a pay-and-use kind of a model. Talking about the breakout areas, we have got a breakout area on the ground floor, which is a sports-themed one. The second floor breakout area is, again, we've taken inspiration from the Mondrian dress.
Think, create, dream, design. I think it's perfect workplace for here.
Can't see a blank wall any side, so it's very interesting to walk around.
It gives you a lot of motivation and impetus to actually work hard and create something which is very new to India.
We'll never leave Myntra now.
Parisian cafes,
Fashion streets, or maybe we are in the New York.
so much fashion all around. It's so exciting.
Doesn't feel like a workspace.
It's really cool.
Blown away.
I love it.
I'm gonna dress up every day and come to work.
It make me want to look good. Just go on every floor, look at every nook and corner, and there's some inspiration hiding somewhere.
We believe this office will inspire our visitors and employees every single day that they walk into this campus.